यार बहुत टाइम से एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा था कि सर प्लेसमेंट सीजन खत्म हो चुका है क्या? लाइक वी हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम जुलाई एंड नाउ इट्स दिसंबर तक 6 महीने हो चुके हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स को इंटर्नशिप या प्लेसमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल चुकी है। बहुत सारी पोस्ट हमने लिंक्डइन पे देख ली है कि बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज में किसी को इंटर्नशिप मिली है, किसी को प्लेसमेंट मिली है। तो इज द प्लेसमेंट सीजन ओवर? क्या हमें सारी होप्स छोड़ देनी चाहिए? क्या शुड वी गो फॉर एनी अदर सेकंड प्लान्स और नेक्स्ट प्लान्स, और इज देयर समथिंग इन स्टोर फॉर अस इन द नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स? तो अभी 6 मंथ्स आर ओवर फॉर दिस प्लेसमेंट सीजन, 6 मंथ्स आर स्टिल लेफ्ट फॉर दिस प्लेसमेंट सीजन। तो इस वीडियो में बेसिकली हम डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे कि कौन कौन सी कंपनीज हायर करती हैं, कौन कौन सी कंपनीज इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज प्रोवाइड करती हैं, और हम उन कंपनीज की डिस्कशन कर रहे होंगे दे हैव सीटीसीज ऑफ अप टू 15 लाख, 20 लाख, 30 लाख, 40 लाख। तो मेक श्योर दिस वीडियो इज बेसिकली फॉर पीपल हु हैव not got a placement till now or who have not got an internship till now. Also, this video is for those who have got a placement but they are looking forward to an upgrade. They're looking forward to a company which matches their skills. Who, like, if you are not satisfied with the current company, तो you can still look up for opportunities. तो इस वीडियो में हम टॉप 20 कंपनीज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। टॉप 20 कंपनीज, बहुत अच्छी कंपनीज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। विल डिस्कस देयर एंटायर प्रोसेस, मतलब वो हैकाथॉन ऑर्गेनाइज करती है, वो सीटीसी उसका क्या है, लाइक हाउ शुड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर दोज अपॉर्चुनिटीज बेटर फ्रॉम राइट नाउ। तो मेक श्योर ये वीडियो पूरी देखना एंड तक। एंड अगर वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना चैनल को एंड शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ। अगर इस वीडियो को रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा मिलता है तो आई कम अप विद अनदर वीडियो विद मोर कंपनीज हु विल बी हायरिंग नेक्स्ट ईयर। तो मेक श्योर you check out this video till the end and do like this video and comment below that you want the second part as well. Timelines, estimated timelines hai, might be a little like there might be a difference of a month or so, but these opportunities are estimated to come, like, but हाँ तुम्हें एक आइडिया लग जाएगा कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ सकती हैं। स्टिल अपॉर्चुनिटीज खत्म नहीं हुई हैं, वी स्टिल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ होप्स, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज बाकी हैं। तो हमें अपनी प्रेपरेशंस कंटिन्यू रखनी है एट एनी कॉस्ट। Company that we're going to discuss is Amazon. So Amazon has its diversity hiring drive known as Amazon Wow. Amazon Wow is a program for batch of 2023 and 2024. Generally, tentative timelines for this is May or June this year. So applicant needs to be enrolled in 4-year BTech or 2-year ME Tech. BTech, they should be either in their 4th semester or 6th semester. So the batch of 2023 and 2024 female candidates should be aware of this particular role. CSIT electrical electronics branches with 6.5 plus CGPA are eligible. But nowadays, all branches are also made eligible. Like this year, Amazon's Wow, every branch was eligible. So you can consider that to be done. Resume shortlisting round is there. Online test with 28 MCQs based upon computer fundamentals, computer networks, OS, DBMS is the syllabus. 2 technical interviews, 1 managerial or HR interview. But this year for internship, just a single interview was conducted. For a full-time role or a 6 months internship, 2 interviews were conducted, and that too completely based upon DSA. So make sure you are strong enough in your DSA. Different roles that they offer is software development engineer, full-time software development engineer internship. Along with that, they offer data engineer role also and system engineers role through this particular profile. The CTC that they're offering right now is 44 lakhs per annum and 80,000 per month internship stipend along with relocation bonus. That is a different thing. Tips and tricks are you need to attempt the online test carefully as there's a lot of competition and seats are limited. For interviews, standard questions, algorithms and CS fundamentals should be prepared well. The process takes over 2 months, so stay calm and be positive. Next is Quora. Quora comes up with its programming challenge every year around February. Open for students of batches 2024, 2023, 2022. All you need to have is a Quora account. Division 1 and Division 2 are different contests, like with different time frames. If you're not able to attempt Division 1, you can attempt Division 2. There are great prizes. There are internship and full-time roles at Quora as well. Like currently also there are some openings for new grad roles at Quora. I'll give the link in the description. Make sure you check Quora's openings as well. 6 coding questions in each division and can be done using C, CPP, Java or Python. Software engineering salary you can see on the screen. Tips is practice timely coding contest on platforms like CodeChef, Codeforces, good hold over data structure algorithm. That's something that's very important. Next is Trilogy. Trilogy company, it's a new name for Codenation. Codenation hires through different challenges throughout the year. They come up with their hiring drive on Republic Day. So 26th January, in and around like the week of 26th January, will this drive be scheduled? Majorly it's scheduled over interview with eligible for third year and final year students. 2022, 2023 would be eligible. 3 to 5 rounds. Online test, after that coding rounds. Majorly they will see if you are good at data structure algorithms. Like nowadays they have introduced an aptitude test in which you need to attempt 50 questions and you need to get a score of 45 out of 50. So that's something that they've introduced new, so make sure you prepare for that as well. Along with that, they are majorly focusing upon your competitive programming skills, how good you are at solving an unknown problem. That's it for their process. The CTC that they offer is 36.5 lakhs per annum. It's conducted in January tentatively over interview bit. Next is Goldman Sachs campus hiring program. It's currently open. Pre-final year for the batch of 2023, final year for the batch of 2022. All branches are eligible. 3 rounds, aptitude round, online coding challenge and presentations. Profiles at Goldman Sachs are basically analyst profile and summer analyst profile. Summer analyst basically 2 months internship, analyst is if somebody gets a full-time role. The CTC that they offer through this particular program is 21 lakhs per annum, and 75,000 is a stipend per month if you're selected for internship. Next opportunity, next company is Yugabyte. Yugabyte DB, it is also one of the amazing companies. They will be hiring for the batch of 2022. All these are tentative dates. Make sure you check you keep these dates in mind while preparing for the same. Next is Yugabyte. Yugabyte is will be hiring for the batch of 22. 3 to 4 rounds will be there. First, an online coding test, and you need to apply on eLitmus. This is particularly hiring for on a platform known as eLitmus. They offer a CTC of 47 lakhs with 24 base. So like last year, some of my friends have gone into this particular company. So this is also a challenge that you might see. Next is Samsung Parichya. Samsung Parichya is a program for second year engineering student. Batch of 23, this is miswritten. It should be batch of 2024. Again, there is a depending upon college eligibility. Some colleges are eligible for this particular program. Total number of rounds are 3, online and take home assessment. What happens in this particular program is you will be having one online coding test. Once you are selected for that online coding test, you will be appearing for interviews. After your interviews are done, you will be getting Samsung goodies. Along with that, an internship opportunity after your second year at Samsung. So this is also conducted in the month of February over interview bit. Next is a program by Flipkart. Flipkart conducts 2 programs. Basically, both of them come under diversity hiring. One is Flipkart Runway and one is Flipkart Girls Wanna Code. Flipkart Runway is a program for second year girls. Batch of 2024 would be eligible for this year. Basically, a mentorship hiring program in which you will be getting a chance to get mentorship from people who are working at Flipkart. Along with that, you will be getting a chance to interview at roles like internship roles at Flipkart. Along with that, there's a separate program known as Girls Wanna Code for pre-final year and final year girls, in which it's also one of the mentorship programs through which you can get a chance to work at Flipkart. They offer a CTC of 26 lakhs per annum. That might have increased to 31 or so, but as per my knowledge, it's 26 lakhs per annum. They offer internship opportunity after second year and FTE for final year. It is also tentatively conducted in February and March over Dare to Compete. Next is a competition by Deloitte. Deloitte conducts this competition known as Techno Utsav. So batch of 2023 pre-final year would be eligible for the same. Pre-final year students from CSIT in MTech from BTech, all branches are eligible. MCA students are also eligible. Profile that they offer through this particular role is BTA, that is Business Technology Analyst, and Software Profile. 3 different rounds: ideation round, proof of concept round, and working prototype. Ideation concepts, you need to submit a PPT. Once your PPT is shortlisted, then you will be appearing for a POC round. You need to develop your ideas and you need to pitch your ideas. Once you clear that pitching round, you need to work upon a working prototype. Once you make that working prototype, you will be called for a finale round. Finale round, you will be selected and you will be given a direct full-time role at Deloitte. Different themes and tracks are there: data science track, IoT, cognitive automation, RPA, robotic process automation, and cybersecurity. Tips and tricks: idea should be well thought of. Prepare your PPT crisp and clear, not more than 4 or 5 slides. Submit the entry on time and don't waste for the last minute. Tentative date for this particular program is March, and it will be conducted on TechGig. Next is a program by Uber. Uber conducts 2 different programs for students. Basically, one is HackTag. HackTag is a hackathon that Uber conducts in the month of March. So this is open to everyone, batch of 22, 23, 24, all of you will be eligible. There will be one online coding test in which you need to solve particular questions. That is basically a screening test. After that, you need to submit your idea. Your idea will be shortlisted. You will call for presentation, and once your presentation, like you are in the top 50 or top 100 teams, you will be given a chance to interview at Uber. So this is also an amazing opportunity, and along with that, different prizes are also. A small message for you all from Educative.io. Educative.io offers hands-on learning paths. It is a perfect platform in which you can learn different technologies, ranging from Python for programmers to machine learning to C++, TypeScript, DevOps, JavaScript, everything you can find out here. And it's the best platform that saves your time a lot to help you learn tutorials in a better way rather than watching just videos. They have different courses, and some of the very famous courses are like Grokking the Coding Interview course, in which you will find patterns for different coding problems. This is a much recommended coding course that I'm showing you in front of the screen. Next is also one of the famous courses, Grokking the System Design Interview, in which you will find amazingly well presented system design questions, type of questions, what kind of patterns are there, redundancy, replication, SQL, NoSQL, CAP theorem, everything that is required for a system design interview. So make sure you check Grokking the System Design Interview as well. Now they have also come up with a new course, that is Grokking the Machine Learning Interview. So it involves problems, it involves like through this you will be able to efficiently solve open-ended machine learning problems. Along with that, they have some projects included in that, such as ad predictor system and so make sure you check out that as well. I'll give the link to educative.io in the description below. Go ahead and check that out, and if you wish to purchase anything, you can get a 10% discount by by going through that particular link. So go ahead and check this link out in the description as well. Also there for this particular hackathon. Then there's referral based hiring at Uber. In and around June, you will see like they might hire for batch of 2022 referral based hiring, through which you need to apply using a referral, but the hiring rate is very less. They got around 15,000 applications last year, but they shortlisted just 98 students after the online test. So that is something really important. Competition is really high, but this is something that I want to tell you. The internship stipend that they offer is 1.6 lakhs, and the full-time salary is also amazing. It is tentatively conducted in March on day to complete Hacktag Hackathon, and referral based hiring is conducted in May or June on Codility. Next is Women's Aceathon by ZS Associates. Batch of 21-2020 will be eligible. Minimum 6 months experience required. Job roles that are offered through ZS Women Aceathon are business technology analyst, decision associate analyst, and software engineering role. The process is simple. You will be having a round of resume shortlisting, case study round 2 given on AMCAT platform and to be submitted in 2 days. Shortlisted women candidates will be given a chance to interview at ZS for the above roles. Tips for this particular program is make a crisp presentation covering values and principles of ZS Associates for more chances of selection. Next, there is a program by Airtel. Airtel conducts a program known as iCode Challenge. This will be particularly for the batch of 2022. Also, batch of 2021 might be eligible. 3-4 rounds. First is the online coding test. HackerEarth is the platform on which it will be conducted. Next, there will be 2 to 3 interview rounds, and the prizes. Along with prizes, you might get a chance to interview at Airtel. They offer a CTC close to 14 lakhs. And tentatively being conducted in March, April on HackerEarth. Next is by JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase Code for Good is a hackathon. It might be on campus, off campus for some students. Batch of 2023 is eligible. There will be 3 different rounds. One round is an online coding test, 3 questions you need to solve. Next is online video submission round, personality and communication skills. This is a higher pro round in which you need to submit a video message, a video question answers based upon, like typically HR questions, 1 or 2 technical questions might be asked, so you need to submit your video responses. Next is, once you're shortlisted after these 2 rounds, you will be going for a hackathon with problem statements. Idea is to, like hackathon steps are, idea is to make real-time apps for NGOs, problem statements by NGOs, and choose your problem statement. Mentors assigned by JPMC, and you need to create a working prototype. Opportunities available, software development internships at JPMC, full-time roles as SD at JPMC. For SD roles, the CTC is close to 14 or 15 lakhs, and for quant profile it is 31 lakhs per annum. Tips and tricks are, round 1 is very crucial. Most of the students are rejected in this round, so make sure you give that coding test very well. Questions are simple, don't worry about that. Next is a video round. Almost all have the same questions, so prepare them beforehand, like once you are pitching, so you should get to know what type of questions are being asked, so you should prepare them beforehand. Microsoft also conducts 2 different programs. One is Women in Technology Conference. This has been conducted last year, through which many people have got a chance to interview at Microsoft. This is a female-oriented opportunity, basically a conference through which participants may be reached out for careers at Microsoft after the conference. Tentative date last year was January, but this year it might happen. Also, there's a referral-based program that Microsoft hired through last year in the month of March, April. So that also might be a chance, but as per my knowledge, this year they have completed their hiring through Engage, but still, if this thing works out, then. Next opportunity is by Lowe's. Lowe's generally conducted campus challenge for the batch of 2023, मतलब pre-final year, CSIT and related branches. Idea submission now in the form of PPT, evaluation and presentation of shortlisted teams. उसके बाद prizes for winners and pre-placement interviews for top performers. Idea can be based upon retail industry, can be on the basis of use of ML or AI or web development. But this year they have changed the pattern a little bit. In the last, this was the pattern last year. In the last year they have changed, like they conducted an online coding test. 2 rounds of online coding tests, and after that interviews were conducted. So this idea presentation and all was revamped. So might be this can happen, or might be the second one can happen. Roles that are available are associate software development engineer role and analyst role. CTC that they're offering is 19 lakhs per annum. Tentatively it is conducted in the month of March. Tips and tricks: you should focus upon technologies like AR, VR, source code should be submitted and use should be self-explanatory. Have some good ideas in the retail industry. Next is ZS Campus Beat. So this is a program by ZS Associates for pre-final year batch of 2023. All branches are eligible. You need to, like, rounds will be problem case launches, semi-finalists selected, and presentation. Like, firstly, the profile that they offer through this program is software engineer and analyst profile. For SG roles, the CTC is 13 lakhs. Tips and tricks: the case study should be detailed. Try to focus more on financials. 1 year, 2 year, and 5 year plan of your idea should be discussed, and make a diverse team. People from technology, analytics, and management should be there in your team. Next is Adobe. Adobe conducts its program known as Adobe Code Diva for the batch of 2022-2023. मतलब फाइनल ईयर प्री फाइनल ईयर के लिए इस बार ये प्रोग्राम आ सकता है. इसमें बेसिकली this is a female oriented opportunity conducted in and around March 8th, that is International Women's Day. Programming test of 2 hours. First round 1 programming test of 2 hours. Like, there are 2 programming tests. After that, a technology for women conference is conducted in which top 50 students get a chance to attend. After that, interviews are there for top 50 students, and roles are offered for summer internships and full-time role at Adobe. Internships, basically product intern and research intern are offered. Full-time roles, MTS1 or scientist roles. But scientists are a senior position at Adobe, so only MTS1 is given. Internship stipend is 1 lakh per month. Full-time CPC is 55 lakhs per annum. Tips and tricks: practice questions from LeetCode weekly, bi-weekly contests. Actual questions were similar to weekly, bi-weekly. So make sure you practice LeetCode weekly contests regularly. Strong hold over data structural algorithms, tentatively conducted in March around Women's Day on firstnaukri.com. Next is Innovator. Innovator conducted program known as Innovator Summer Geeks. Eligibility is third year students, batch of 2023. 2 to 3 rounds will be there. 1 coding round, 1 to interviews. You will be selected for internship at Innovator with a stipend of 35 to 40,000 per month. And also you might get a chance to get a PPO through this with a CTC close to 14 lakhs at Innovator. It's conducted generally around February, March on their own platform, that is summergeeks.in. Next is ServiceNow conducts its event known as Code Diva. The registrations for this are open right now. I'll give the link to this also in the description below. This was what happened in the previous year, in the last year, but this year's everything details you can see in the link in the description, but I'll not cover this, but you can check out in the description. Second year, third year, final year, all are eligible this year. The roles that they offer are associate software engineer, associate quality engineer, 25 LPA, 18 LPA. First, like, different prices are there. Summer internship opportunities at ServiceNow Hyderabad also you get. HackerRank test questions involve basic coding and some standard algorithms. The presentation should be focused on using the tools and technologies at ServiceNow. Next is D-Shaw and Company. Generally, you will see openings around February for QA and SD roles at D-Shaw. Batch of 2022 will be eligible for the same. 3 to 4 rounds. First round is a coding round. Might be a little typical. Like, it involves aptitude also. It involves coding questions also. So make sure you attempt, even if partial questions are being attempted, you should attempt them. For QA roles, there will be 2 to 3 interviews. For software engineering roles, there will be 1 more round of interview more than QA role. You will be getting a CTC of 35 lakhs at D-Shaw and tentatively conducted in February, March on their careers website. Next is a program by BNY Mellon. They conduct it around February. This year also they have conducted it once, but they might also conduct it around February. 23 graduates for summer internship and 22 graduates for full-time roles. Basically, it's a female-oriented opportunity. They also offer a CTC from 11 lakhs per annum to 21 lakhs per annum for different profiles. 4 programming questions. Platform uses HackerEarth. Questions based upon DP, digit DP. Level is a little typical. You might be asked typical questions in online coding test, but interview rounds are relatively easier. Roles at BNY Mellon: software engineering full-time role, internship role, software engineering full-time CTC is 11 to 21 LPAs, internship stipend is 60,000 per month. Next is Expedia conducts its different challenges and general hiring. Different challenges is something known as traveling transform of the world. This is a program that is conducted in the month of February or March over interview bit, in which you need to be in the top 30 or top 50, and you will be getting a chance to interview at Expedia. Along with that, different prizes by Expedia. Expedia offers a CTC of 35 lakhs and internship stipend of 50,000. 35 lakhs, it involves 30,000 of stocks, that $30,000 US dollars of stocks. It's including that. That's why it's mentioned as 35 lakhs. Else it is 12 plus US 30,000 US dollars, and so tentatively conducted in February March over interview bit. Once again, I hope you will like this amazing video. For more such amazing content, for more such amazing parts of this particular video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel, and share it with your friends for more such amazing content coming ahead.